Hello, my name's Owen Derbyshire. I'm a professor at Oxford University and the academic director of the Oxford Programme on Negotiations.
Hello, I'm Giuseppe Conti. I'm both a business executive and a lecturer at several leading business schools.
For me, my challenge is to find out what is the interest of the other party, to listen to the other party and to prepare or to be able to give something to exchange.
A common challenge, I think, it is to really understand that people tend to think and to react differently to situations. So we have to take into consideration that everybody is different and that we have to adapt and accept their points of view.
I learned that the need of influencing is everywhere in your private life and of course in your professional life, but the way to do it is the same.
My personal takeaway is really to get better prepared or to prepare, how can I say it, differently, and then to work on with whom you are going to speak, who are you going to meet, and how can you influence those people already up front before you are going to meet them face to face.
Definitely the role plays. Because they are very close to the real situation in the professional life, and after a few minutes, if you do it seriously, you just forget that it's a role play.
The case studies that we did, it was very interactive and we can see how each one reacts with the one case study. It was really enjoyable.
But what is probably the most important is the discussions in the room. Everybody has his background. Everybody has his way of thinking, has his or her motivations. So I really liked the interaction between the team.
Join us on the 21st and 24th of May in Geneva, Switzerland for this exciting masterclass on influence and persuasion.